Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with yet another Valentine's Day inspired look, but instead of this being an anti-Valentine's Day look, this is supposed to be a happier and brighter Valentine's Day look for all you lovebirds out there. So if you are all into Valentine's Day and you love the day and you love pink and you love red and all the happiness that comes with the colors and the day, then this look is perfect for you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave any suggestions you might have for me in the comments section below. If you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to do so that way you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick up my Karity Just Peachy palette, and I'm taking these two colors right over here, and with my finger I'm just going to apply that all over my lid as a priming base. From there I'm going to be picking up this pinkish red shade right on the end, and I'm just going to apply that into the crease with a fluffy brush. So that's all I'm going to be doing eyeshadow wise. Now I'm picking up my Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Trooper Black, and I'm just going to create a wing. So now I'm going to move on to the glitter, and I'm picking up my NYX face and body glitter along with the glitter glue that comes with it, and this is in the color Copper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up some of that glitter glue with a pretty small brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit of it right on top of the wing, and then I'm going to go in with a slightly thicker brush, pick up some of that glitter and pat it onto the glue. One important part that I actually missed was putting some of the translucent powder underneath my eyes, just to catch any of the glitter fallout that might happen. As you guys can probably see, there was some already on my face, but just to catch any further, I'm going to put some on because I have already applied my face makeup. And now I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner and just clean up the edges of the wing that might have gotten covered by the glitter. And now to get rid of the translucent powder. Now moving on to my lower lashes, I'm picking up that same dark pink color that I used in the crease, and with a pencil brush I'm just going to line my lower lash line. And then picking up that shimmery shade that we started off with for the lid, I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of the lower lash line. And then I will be using that same shimmer color for the inner tear duct. Moving on to mascara, I'm going to be picking up my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And for my waterline, as always, I'll be using my Marc Jacobs eye crayon in the color Blacker. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be sticking with my Valentine's Day theme, and I'm picking up a pretty dark red lipstick. This is Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Nahz for Atoo. Yeah. First, I'm using a lip brush, and I'm going to take some of the color and line my lips, and then I will go in with the actual lipstick itself and apply it. So this is the final look. As you guys know from last time, I did the anti-Valentine's Day look. So this is, I guess you could say, the pro-Valentine's Day look. It's a lot lighter, it's a lot brighter, and personally I think it looks a lot happier than the previous one, which wasn't intended, so I guess that's a good thing. Anyway, if you guys haven't checked out that anti-Valentine's Day look, don't forget to do so. Personally, it's my favorite. I like that one a lot more than I like this one, just because I am a very bold person when it comes to makeup, and I really like dark looks and very extravagant looks, so obviously that one is my favorite. However, I do like this one as well. Honestly, this is probably going to be the look that I'm going to be rocking for Valentine's Day during the day. I don't know how it's going to be at night. It might change. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys like this look. If you did like it, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!